Table Chef Tekka Thompson, and today we're talking about barbecue grill maintenance. So this would be maintaining your grill before, after, and in between your cookouts. So the most important thing when you're starting to grill is that you want to preheat it, and you want to preheat it pretty high, and you want to let all the stuff from the past burn off, and that'll actually sanitize it. So you're going to turn it on high, and you're going to just preheat it. So that's the other thing. When you're done and you want it to cool down, you want to do the same thing. Is you want to leave the flame on, leave the lid closed, and let it burn off all the grease and fat and whatever you've been cooking on your grill. So about every 10 cookouts, you want to remove the grates on your grill. So I'm just going to remove them. This is a cool grill, by the way. You want to make sure it's cold. So you remove the grate, and you're going to clean it with your wire barbecue brush on both sides. See, you can get all that residue off right there. So you'll remove both grates and do that. You'll also remove these metal things on top of your fire, and this is called the barrier. So the barrier, you want to do the same thing. As you can see, it gets residue and gunk and little bits of pieces of extra meat and vegetables that we've been grilling here. So we're just going to take it and both sides we're going to clean it off. That would be all 4 barriers and both grates. So once you've cleaned them, you can place them back in. Place the grate back on. And you're ready for a cookout. So if you store your barbecue or grill and you can't grill year round, you definitely want to make sure that when you take it out, it's free of leaves, cobwebs, spiders, anything that might be. And you want to burn it off. You can re-oil it if it needs to be re-oiled, and probably wash the grates and the barriers with soapy water. That would be the once a year if you have to store your grill. And the final thing is that after your grill is completely cooled and completely done, you've brushed it off, you've let it heat up and burn off all of the excess stuff, you want to cover it. No matter where you live, you want to protect it from the elements since it's going to be outside. So I'm just going to take my cover, cover up my barbecue grill, and say until next time. I'm Farm to Table Chef Tekka Thompson. That is barbecue grill maintenance. Thank you for watching.